Hi! Usually, cars are sold with two keys, and it is possible, but not guaranteed, that those two keys are the only keys registered to your car. If you only got one key, then ask yourself, who has spare keys for your car? What happens if you damage your one and only key? This key, for example, was water damaged and no longer able to start the vehicle. We use professional dealership level tools and can check for you the number of keys programmed to your car, delete lost keys from the car memory, register up to 4 keys, check for and erase trouble codes, and program traction donor battery to your Leaf or ENV200. It's very easy to check how many keys are registered and whether yours are cloned or properly programmed. Cloning keys does not remove lost keys from the car memory. Key programming operating procedure is straightforward. Car model is selected, then all previously registered keys are removed from the car memory. Only keys at hand then can be registered to the vehicle. Some cheap locksmiths use cloning devices. Cloning is not a good idea, as previously registered keys remain in the car memory and can open and start your vehicle. Frequent question been asked: is it possible to register a second-hand key, for example from the rack? It is possible, but although keys may look the same, they are different. They are made by different manufacturers for different markets. For example, these 3 Nissan keys are not compatible to each other. First key is for Skyline and will not fit Leaf. Second is for European Leaf and will not fit Japanese Leaf. Third one is for Japanese Leaf and will not fit European Leaf. Key from the same model but designed for different region are not compatible. Key from the same region but designed for different models are not compatible either. Call us for Nissan key programming, Leaf dash and head unit conversions to English, Leaf and ENV200 donor battery programming. Thank you for watching.